Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a shorts with the pattern that we got from Joanne. So remember I told you to get this pattern, remember? And that's the pattern 8212 Simplicity. And remember I told you guys to make sure we're gonna trace this one, okay? Then we're gonna trace it again and make it into a shorts, and we're going to do it 1 inch from the crotch line because the crotch line is on the pattern, and we're going to do 1 inch from the crotch, remember? And you have a yoke, and I'll show you with the one that I made with the blue. And so this is the short pattern, okay? So this is the front, this is the back, all right? And this is our shorts pattern, okay? So what I'm going to be doing today is this have a yoke, remember? It have a yoke. So what we're going to do with the front and the back, no, whatever you do in the front, we have to do it in the back, okay? So from the top of the waist for the front, we're going to extend it to 1.5 inch. And the same thing for the back. We're going to extend up 1.5 inch. So we're going to bring it up. So remember, the yoke stop here. We're going to bring it up 1.5. We're going to curve it. We're going to bring this straight up, and we're going to curve, okay? 1.5 inch for the front, up, 1.5 inch for the back, okay? Because remember, this had a yoke, okay? So what I'm doing, I don't want the yoke. I'm just want to extend it, okay? We're going to extend it up 1.5 inch, and we're going to make our shorts into this color right here. This color is so pretty. So we're going to make our shorts, all right? So we're going to cut out the front. We're going to cut out the back. So here's the back. And these are actually weights. I got them from the thrift store a couple of years ago. And they were like 75 cents. And then we have these weights too that you can use, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to cut. All right. Now remember that simplicity pattern, the seam allowance is 5/8. Okay? So here's the back. And then we're going to cut the front. What we're going to do is continue across on the fabric. Okay? All right. So here. And remember, it's a 5/8 seam allowance. Same thing with the back. Then we're going to do there. So we stitch inside the inside to the crotch, and now we're going to do the crotch part. So this is the crotch right here. Okay. And now we're going to do the side. And we're going to do the next side. Now, hey guys, so I have to do a voiceover because I hear music in the background. So what I was telling you guys is on the original pattern and the Simplicity 8212, okay, there is a front and a back. So you have a front pattern, a back pattern, and the yoke. Okay, so when you're making your shorts, you must always use your front pattern, your back pattern. But because I extend from the waist up, I eliminate the yoke. Okay, and it's important that when you're making your shorts, I don't care if it's knit, it have to be a front and a back. Okay, because we have butt. Okay, and it have to accommodate for your crotch depth. Okay, and for the shorts to be fitted properly. All right, so I've seen even at stores where I'm looking at the shorts or I'm looking at the leggings and it's not made properly because the front and the back is the same, and you cannot do that. Okay, you need to make it properly for your client. So make it with a front and make it in the back. Everybody have a butt. So the front crotch is always going to be smaller, shorter than the back crotch, because the back crotch is always longer to accommodate your buttocks. Okay, so always work with a front and a back of your shorts pattern. Okay, guys. So hey guys, so we're finished with the shorts. As I said before, pattern 8212. Okay, you're going to take it out the package. You're going to trace the size you want. So this comes from extra extra small to extra extra large. Okay, so my mannequin is like a small medium, so I did a small. You're going to trace out the style A, and it's only 3-piece: front, back, and yoke. Okay, and what you're going to do is, the original shorts have a yoke. Okay, but what I did was extend my pattern. So this is the pattern that we traced. Remember, we traced this. So what I did was trace it, but when I trace this pattern, I said I want to get it. I trace the whole thing first. Then I come down 1 inch down to the crotch. Come across. Okay, make my shorts pattern. This is my shorts pattern, and from there I have a smaller shorts pattern. Okay, all right. So here is the original short pattern. This is the back. So the crotch line will go 1 inch down from the crotch, 1 inch down from the crotch, and then I'm gonna do another one, but this time I'm eliminating the yoke. So as you can see, all right, so we're going to eliminate the yoke. So here it is. Same shorts pattern. All I did was extend it 1.5 inches. I extended 1.5 inches up. There it is. All I did was extend it 1.5 inches. So I got rid of the yoke, the same pattern. So this is this pattern. Okay, and this is the original shorts that have the yoke, because you have to add the yoke to it. And then this one, I eliminate the yoke. Okay, so all I did was extend it. Follow the natural curve, go up to the waist, 1.5, 1.5. So whatever I did in the front, I did to the back. So I did enough, 1.5 on the waist up, from the back up, and from the front up. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, so this is your shorts pattern. This is your front. This is your back. Okay, all right. So remember to watch the other video, because this is your shorts pattern that you want to use to make you. This is a pattern that you want to use to make your shorts for your dance wear. All right, for your exotic dance wear or intimate wear. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me this evening. Subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for the love. For my subscriber, I love you guys, and for the question, I love it. All right, which is